Hello students, today we are going to understand compounds and adverbs. Firstly, we'll understand compound. So, what is compound words? Compound words are formed by joining two words. जब आप दो अलग वर्ड्स को जोड़ेंगे उसे बोला जाता है कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सन plus flower is equal to sunflower. Sun and flower are two different words, but by joining them we are getting a new word. So it is a compound word. Rain plus bow is equal to rainbow. Pine plus apple is equal to pineapple. These are some examples of compound words. There are some ways in which you can form compound words like noun plus noun. Tax plus pair is equal to taxpayer. Noun plus verb. Sun plus rise is equal to sunrise. Noun plus ing verb. Sleep plus walking, sleepwalking. Ing verb plus noun. Chewing plus gum, chewing gum. Verb plus noun. Search plus light, searchlight. Adjective plus noun. Black plus board is equal to blackboard. Noun plus verb. Home plus work is equal to homework. There are some more ways of forming compound adjectives like noun plus ing verb. Breathe plus taking is equal to breathtaking. Noun plus ed or en verb like hand plus made is equal to handmade. Adverb plus adjective. Ever plus green is equal to evergreen. Adjective plus ing verb. Good plus looking is equal to good looking. Adverb plus ing verb. Fast plus moving, fast moving. Adverb plus ed or en verb. Far plus fetched, far fetched. Whenever you are forming a compound word, in some cases you may need to put a hyphen between the words like good hyphen looking, eye hyphen catching, etc. Another topic which we are going to understand today is adverb. So, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो आपको वर्ब के बारे में एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन दें उससे बोला जाता है एडवर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्लीज पार्क योर बाइसिकल आउटसाइड एंड द बॉय स्पोक पोलाइटली. हियर आउटसाइड एंड पोलाइटली इज एन एडवर्ब एज आउटसाइड shows you a place and politely says you the manner of how the boy spoke. Now there are many types of adverbs, but in this class you are going to study only 4 kinds, that is adverb of frequency, adverb of manner, adverb of time and adverbs of place. Whenever you see words like always, some, often, usually, frequently, rare, hardly, ever, never, generally, etc., these are adverb of frequency. Example, she normally eats 3 meals a day. I usually buy all my vegetables at the market. An adverb of frequency answers the question how often. Next is adverb of manner. Words like cheerfully, efficiently, painfully, carefully, slowly, badly, easily, well, quickly, etc. are used for adverbs of manner. For example, the children were playing happily with their toys. The police dealt with the incident very efficiently. An adverb of manner answers the question how. Third is adverb of time. An adverb of time answers the question when. So words like now, yesterday, soon, later, yet, tomorrow, already, tonight, today, then, last year, last month, etc. shows you an adverb of time. For example, she would already gone when we got there. I'm going to hang out with my friends tomorrow. So, the adverb of time answers the question when. Last, adverbs of places. And adverb of places answer the question where. So, words like off, above, abroad, far, on, away, back, here, out, outside, behind, in, down, downstairs, etc. shows you a place. For example, his children go everywhere with him. Let's open the box and see what's inside it. Next is adverbs as sentence element. In sentence, adverbs are used. But how? First is an adverb is an important part of sentence. In some sentence, adverbs are very important. Like here you can see subject plus verb plus adverb. He spoke loudly. So loudly is an important part of sentence. If you will say he spoke, it doesn't make any sense and doesn't tell you how does he spoke. So you need to use loudly. So it is an important part of sentence. Second, an adverb is not so important part of sentence. Sometimes adverbs are not so important in some sentences. Like here you can see subject plus verb plus adverb plus complement. I was somewhat afraid. If you would have removed adverb here, the sentence would have remained the same. So here adverb is not that important. Third, an adverb is a word that passes comment on the rest of the sentence. Sometimes adverb pass a comment on rest of the sentence like adverb plus subject plus verb plus object. Here fortunately is an adverb and we have commented on the sentence we won the match. Fourth, an adverb is a word that connects a sentence with another sentence. Sometimes adverbs are used as a conjunctions. Conjunctions are also used to join two sentences. Here you can see adverb plus subject plus verb. Here the sentence is winning will be different. However, we can try. However is an adverb. We is a subject and can try as a verb. So the word however connected the two sentence or combined the two sentence. Let's revise the topic adverb. Adverb tells us more about a verb. It gives more information about a verb. Kinds or types of adverbs. An adverb of frequency answers the question how often. An adverb of manner answers the question how. An adverb of time answers the question when. And an adverb of place answers the question where. I hope it's clear for all of you.